IHateShadows 06 here, and today we got another review. And I'm not in my room, I'm in my mom's car for no reason. And Slim Gucci dropped another fucking banger, his fourth single called IHateShadows. And the weirdest thing is, I said I'm not in my room, I'm in my mom's car. Look at this. I open my window so I can put it loud. Anyways, Mom, press play, please. Let's go crazy. Quite loud.
If there
Put that down
are,
for a second.
if there
I'll
are,
show you
better
why, man.
find them and get.
Oh! Oh my god. Anyways, how am I say this? Absolute Gucci right there. Oh my god, bro is making bangers and bangers until Greyday 2026, and I'm happy for him. And I can't wait to see him in Dallas. And I want to use my birthday wish for him because he's gonna show up with the rest of them and Suicide Boys on September 1st, and my birthday is like 9 more days until September 10th. Oh, it's gonna be fun to see him perform with all these songs he made. He worked hard for it. I can't wait to see him again. Anyways, I gotta get back home, and yeah, I'm IHateShadows 06 signing off, and stay cinema, literally, and love y'all.